for clicking this video. In this video, I will be doing a countdown to my birthday. Basically, a get ready with me. So I just hope y'all enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that notification button because it's there for a reason. And that's on period. Like, why would you want to miss a video? And that is on period. So let's just get right into this video. I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows, so y'all see how it is now. I'm trying to pluck them for the first time. I never did it, so
I'm trying to hook you. Trying to see side.
so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and come right back, and that's on period. I tried plucking off all of it, but it didn't work out, and it's still here. But we're just gonna move on to the facial of the day. Make sure you wash your face and then go over it again with like a wipe or something. So I have the paper face mask. This is watermelon and aloe. It says it's pink. I hope so. This is for all skin types. It only comes with one. It's smooth, softens, and repair. Okay. It's white. So what I do is get some of the oil out of it and go over it with my face so it can get used to it, and then apply the mask. Gotta rub it in. I'll apply the mask now. See, it's white. It was supposed to be pink, as you can see. Wait. I'm gonna leave this on for 5 minutes and then come back and wash my face off. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go wash my face off real quick and come right back, and that's on period. Okay, now that I'm done, I put ice on my face, of course, to open up my pores. As you can see, I got little bumps or whatever. But this is the second step, and this one have cucumbers and aloe in it. It's a face wrap as well. This one I gotta leave on for 20 minutes or longer. All of them say it's supposed to be a certain color, but I really do think it's not gonna be that color. Basically a face therapy. That's what we're gonna do. Do the same steps, of course. This smells like lotion. Just get right into it. See, it's white again. It's so sad. I really was thinking everything was gonna be pink. Okay, so we're gonna let this sit for 20 minutes and just come back, take the mask off, and wash my face. 20 minutes, and that's on period. Today I'm doing my lashes. Okay, I got these lashes from Dollar Tree, but I actually made the rest. Like, I added on to the lashes. So we're gonna get right into it and get our lashes on. And that's on period. Okay, so I finished my lashes. And that was today. So I'm just gonna go. So we're just gonna go ahead and get to the next day. I'm gonna do my nails. I already did my toes and my pedicure or whatever, but I just didn't record it. We just gonna get right into it, and that's on period. So I made different kind of nails for different outfits I got, but like the ones that got my toes, I'm gonna show y'all how I designed them and stuff. We have the diamonds. It matched my toes, but you'll see when I finish. And the regular kind, which is gray. I'm actually gonna shape them. See y'all? Is wash your hands real good, clean it up, and boom. So I'm gonna do the same thing in this one. So these are my nails and my toes. I'm gonna show you real quick. So these are my toes and my nails. Okay, so that was today, and tomorrow I will be doing a hang up all the stuff that I need for the photo shoot I'm gonna do. And I might just start today doing the hanging up and stuff. So did it all in one day, and then I split it up into the day. Stay tuned to the end. So that is on period, and that is what I said, and that is it. Period. For the background today, I got this for the background. So all I'm gonna do is tape it up to the wall, make sure everything is covered, and then hang the happy birthday sign up nice and neat. And I have screamers just in case I want to redecorate, or I can use it for my balloons, but I'm just gonna have to wait and see. So let's just get right into it, and that's on period. Okay, this process is me trying to separate all the tape so it won't be too much trouble when I put up the backdrop. As you can see, it kept falling down, so that's why I taped the tape to my hand. Also, I'm showing you how I actually made the curls on the end of the happy birthday sign thing. I actually cut the happy birthday sign in half, so that's why it looks shorter. I only did that to measure it up to the backdrop. Also, this backdrop I have was short, so I changed it to another backdrop, and that's why I took the happy birthday sign and the sticker off, and I redid it. Okay, as I started to blow up the balloons, in my head I was like, I'm gonna just tape them up individually. When I did that, it did not come out as I wanted, so I just started to tie them all together to make like a design, and held it up with actually the string, and I actually taped that up. And the screen that was left over, I made it curly with my scissors, and that's about it. I did the same thing to the other side, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch. Oh, and also I had to move down the happy birthday sign because the letters wasn't showing. Throughout the week, I've been posting birthday week pictures. If you want to see those, go follow my Instagram. Also, throughout this video, I did insert some of the pictures from the birthday week. Okay, now I'm done with the backdrop, as you can see. The pictures you will see next will be the ones that I took after this. Basically today all I did was post pictures and videos, so if you want to see those, go follow my Instagram, which is babyface_Nicole, BBY face FACE_Nicole. Also, I changed my nails to the color of the numbers, and that's about it. So that was my day. So I hope y'all enjoy. Okay, it's like a couple of days before my birthday, so I'm doing a bed photo shoot, like 4 different photo shoots already with 4 different outfits and stuff. So I just wanted y'all to see this one because I didn't record the other ones. So let's just get right to it, and after I take the pictures I will insert those. And if you want to see more of those pictures, you can go follow my Instagram, which is babyface_Nicole, BBY face FACE_Nicole. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget turn on the notifications so you can see more. So that's all I gotta say. So that's on period. We're gonna get right into it, and that's just that. As you can see, I already started blowing up the balloons before I started even recording, but that's all I'm doing is blowing up balloons, pitting down like a sheet cover or whatever to like blend it in, get some pillows, and that's about it. So yeah, you'll see that. I'm gonna go take a shower and then change into the clothes. Okay, I'm done now for the start doing the photo shoot. So we're just gonna get right into it. By the way, I redid my hair into a ponytail. But yeah, we're just gonna get right into it, and that is on period. Let's do this. I know y'all didn't think I was just gonna take pictures without earrings and stuff. No, I had to put some bling on. No, look, just stay tuned so you can see me glow up. And that's on period. Okay, I got all my jewelry on and stuff. Ankle bracelet, whatever the hell it's called. Let's just get right into it. So I didn't insert a lot of pictures, but if you want to see more, go follow my Instagram, babyface_Nicole. Okay, so basically I didn't record everything on my birthday, so I just inserted videos and stuff that I did. So I basically was in the car almost all day listening to music and riding around, whatever. So I really appreciate everybody who made videos and messaged me about happy birthday and stuff. I would have inserted that, but I don't have y'all consent, so I'll just thank y'all. So I really appreciate that. I also did a birthday TikTok. I cannot insert the sound because I'm not trying to get copyrighted, and I am trying to make some money, so that's on period. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. So I'm taking a break to eat my food. So from Checkers I had got fries, barbecue wings, in Arizona, but you'll see that as you watch. But I just hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. Don't forget my Instagram is babyface_Nicole, and also my TikTok is babyface_Nicole as well if you're interested. I also post hair videos, and that is just on period.